Good morning, everyone. My name is George Zoma, and I'm here to teach you social studies again. Now, this is a sequence, a continuation of the last topic we did. The last time we looked at the topic road accidents, and we looked at the causes of road accidents, in which one of them we said that one of the causes is disobedience to traffic rules. So, disobedience to traffic rules. When we disobey traffic rules, that's one of the reasons why we have road accidents. So, right now, we want to look at the road signs. What are the various road signs? What is the meaning of road signs? And how we can obey them. Now, I want you to join me for the ride. Let us look at the topic road signs. So, let us look at the specific objective. At the end of the lesson, the people should be able to 1. Define road signs, 2. List the various road signs. Now, let us start with the definition of the meaning of road signs. Road signs are signs erected at the side or above the road to give instruction to the road user. Let's take that again. Road signs are signs erected at the side or above the road to give instruction to the road user. So it means that as you're driving, the signs that you see beside you or above, maybe if there is a bridge there, you will see the signs above. It's an instruction to guide you on how to use the road. That is why they put those signs there. They are a guide. Yeah, they are a manual guide to help you as you are using the road. You'll be able to manage yourself. You have to be patient so that you use the road carefully. They are just a guide to help you in using the road. Now, from the first example there, they said, for example, the sign here represents a train. Represents a train is always crossing. So the sign of seeing a train here, it tells us that as you are using that road, it tells you that a train crosses this road all the time. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? So now let us now look at the traffic symbols and meaning. Now, when you see a sign with an arrow turned to the left and stroked, it means what? No left turn. It means that as you are driving, you don't have to turn to your left. You keep driving. Don't turn to your left. And the next symbol you can see there is no right turn. It means that as you're driving, you are not meant to turn to the right. Are you getting me? These are the symbols. So it means that as you're on the way, don't turn left and don't turn right. Just drive just be driving ahead of you there. Don't turn to any direction. Now the next symbol we have here is slow down. So it means that as you're driving, you need to slow down. You don't need to be at a high speed. Are you getting me? When they're telling you slow down, there's a reason. So as you're driving, you need to slow down. Why? It could be that people normally cross the road. It could be that people are walking on the road. So you have to slow down. That's the reason why they put the symbol there. Slow down. Now the next one is the pedestrians. You see people do cross the road. Now the reason why they put this symbol here or this sign here is to guide you to know that as you're driving, people normally cross this road. So you need to reduce your speed limit, or you need to reduce your speed so that as you're driving, when you see someone, you slow down so that people can cross. That is the reason why you have the symbol, the pedestrians there. Now the next is no parking. It means that when you're driving, you don't have to park. Sometimes you can see when you join your parents to go to the bank, you see that when they get to a certain spot, you see the symbol there, no parking. It means that nobody is meant to park in those areas. That is the symbol there. Now the next one is speed hump, not speed bumps. We normally call it speed bumps, but the right word is speed humps. It means that when you get there, there is a hump and you go over it. Are you getting me? Now the reason why they put this symbol there is for you to, as you are driving, you should know ahead of you that there is a speed hump so that you reduce your speed. You don't destroy your car or you don't involve yourself in any accident. That is the symbol there. Now the next one is turn left ahead. It means that as you're driving, you can turn to your left, right? And the next is turn right ahead. It means that as you're driving, you can turn to your right. Now the next symbol, we have one way. What does it mean? It means that as you're driving, you're only moving in one direction. Are you getting me? You're only moving in one direction. That is the direction ahead of you. You can't turn back. You can't drive back. you keep moving that way. That is why they call it a one-way. You could see the arrow, one way. Now the next one is two-way traffic. Two-way traffic, it means that you can move up and you can move down. So meaning that you can go up and you can turn back and come down. But the other, which is one-way traffic, you can't. You just keep moving in that direction. Are you getting me? So that is that for the class. So I want to give you an assignment. I want you to look at this assignment carefully, study it. Now, you go back to the last class because we treated causes of road accidents. So the question is here. Mention 5 causes of road accidents. Mention 5 causes of road accidents. So I want you to go back and study what are the major causes of road accidents. Now the next assignment, draw and color any other traffic rules you know. Draw and color any other traffic rules you know. So I'm waiting to see your answers, okay? Thank you very much and have a lovely day.